Ben Godfrey is a professional footballer who plays as a centre-back for Premier League club Everton. He started his career in York City's youth system before moving to the Middlesbrough Academy. He would return to York at the under-15 level. Godfrey made his professional debut at the age of 17, starting York's 1-0 home win over Yeovil Town in August of 2015. Godfrey would then sign for Premier League club Norwich City in January 2016 on a 3.5-year contract. Initially, he would play in their academy team, but he made his debut in August of 2016 in the EFL Cup. Godfrey made his league debut in a 2-0 home win over Birmingham City in January 2017. He signed a new 4-year contract with Norwich in August 2017, keeping him at the club until the summer of 2021. Later in the same month, Godfrey joined League One club Shrewsbury Town, where he spent the entire season on loan, playing 40 games, scoring 1 goal. In the 2018-2019 season, Godfrey returned to Norwich. He played in the cup games, but his appearances in the league were limited to substitute appearances until December. Due to injuries to other players, Godfrey made his first league start for Norwich in a championship match, a 3-2 win against Bolton Wanderers. He would remain in the team for the rest of the season. In 2018-2019, Godfrey played 31 league games, starting 26 of them. He scored 4 goals and created 2 assists, which would help his team earn promotion back to the Premier League. Godfrey played 30 Premier League games for Norwich City in the 2019-2020 season. He would then sign for Premier League club Everton in October 2020 on a 5-year contract. He made his debut on the 17th of October in a Merseyside derby. So far, he has featured in 28 games for Everton. He has also represented England at the under-20 and under-21 levels. His father is Alex Godfrey, a former professional rugby league player. Ben Godfrey is of Jamaican descent through his paternal grandfather.